Hi everyone, so back on the job. Plaster's dried nicely. Unfortunately it's not all dry. I wanted to put Mishko on before we start tiling, but we'll start just tiling I guess, because yeah, it's not quite dry. We can do that. So these are the tiles. They're porcelain tiles. Unfortunately, I hope not all of them are like that, but as you can see, they're not very straight. So they are bent or curved. So that'll be a bit of fun, but yeah. So the idea is we put tiles like so, upright. So we'll just work out the center and see how it all looks, how it works out. We know our tray is level, so we can theoretically pack it up from the tray. 3 mil or something for the silicone, and yeah, go from there. So we'll just set them up. We got slow set adhesive because obviously there will be lots of cuts. We'll set it with laser level. We'll set laser level to have a line so we know where to go to, so it's all, you know, in line. So we'll just set it above, say 3 mil above the tray, and that way we'll know where tip of our tile need to be, and we can pack it from underneath, and yeah, we'll just fit them in. And then we're obviously gonna have to make cuts on the bottom, so hence why I've got a slow set adhesive, so we've got time to work with it. So basically with your tiling, what you want to do, you want to cover the area you want to tile. Obviously read instructions on what bed you need to put it on. These will have to go on 6 mil bed, so obviously get all that information. You then put small area, because these are big tiles, small tiles, and there'll be a lot of cuts. Start with a small area, like a, you know, 600 by 600, whatever, just to see how you get on. And then what you can do is obviously increase the area if you're confident that it goes smoothly. I'll have a small area first because we've got a cuts to make, and yeah, we'll just see how it goes. And then other thing I'll do, I will also prime this, put a thin coat of adhesive on the back of the tile to make sure there's a good adhesion. So I'll put coat on the surface, then I will get the right depth and run through with the trowel to get my 6 mil adhesive, and then I will coat the back of the tile before it goes on, and that's how we're basically going to be doing it. So I just wanted to run through that with you before. And yeah, so I'll just crack on, start setting up, and we go from there. So we've laid the floor. Next on to grouting, which will be tomorrow, and it will be, this part of the job will be done. So yeah, I will see you in a bit. Hi everyone, just an update on a job. So we have buffed the grout, plumbers fit the sink. We have coated once with the Perma White satin mold resistant paint. So obviously, being a bathroom, you want to have a decent paint or shower room, because obviously there will be a lot of moisture when you shower, etc. So you don't want to be scrimping on paint itself. So your normal vinyl mat won't really work. Best by getting something which is actually for bathrooms, kitchens, etc. So we got another coat of that to do, which we will do today. So as an upstand here, we've fitted some tiles. Reason being, A, we don't really have thickness for any skirting, and B, so the wall to the frame is quite tight. Same there. So, and B, every time it's been done like that, unless it's a plastic skirting or UPVC or whatever, you will have stains on the areas where the water will get to it. So this would probably get stained, that probably gets stained. So yeah, that's why we wanted to avoid that. So we fitted these tiles. Actually, we got them from Wix. They're 100mm by 300mm in size. We haven't put a threshold trim only because the flooring guy will come and finish the flooring. So I left that to him, so he can decide what he wants to do to trim that up. So hence why we haven't done that. So here in the garage, we have mist coated, as you saw. We have put a coat on. I got coat or maybe two. So I've put 2 coats on these walls where plumber had to put his pipes, so that's done. Then we're gonna put just a D trim in plastic. Again, this is garage, you don't really need to put a timber. You can, but we would just wanna finish it nicely, that's all. And that's why, yeah, I'm gonna be putting plastic up. Again, it's easy maintenance, you know, you don't have to worry about it, you know, rotting or whatever. It's just a clean finish and easy maintenance. So yeah. This wall needs a bit more, so obviously I've done just a mist coat and 1 coat. That's where we are with this project. I hope you're enjoying it, and I'll catch up you in a bit. Hi everyone, just a catch-up video. So everything's now finally done. Just wanted to do the last video for you. So you can see floors tiled, upstanding tiles, the bath, shower room, sorry, the bath. All grouted, sealed. Everything is completed. So it's the new toilet, the basin was kept existing. We just did a splashback tile and just tidied it up, everything. Obviously repainted the room. The only thing we didn't do is the threshold, and reason being because there's new floor being fitted, not by us, someone else. So that is why we haven't finished that. For those who haven't seen, so basically where the screen is, that used to be a wall and it used to return back into here. And so you had toilet and basin. So what we did, we took this all out and we fitted another wall further along and extended it and made it wider, so you can use it as a shower room, as a full-on, you know, shower, toilet, etc. And this is the garage, which now is turned into the utility room, because it used to have this washing machine, but it was there in a corner hidden, and the fridge used to sit along this wall. So now we have mostly shunted everything this way, and it's still usable. On this wall, what we did, we also fitted a OSB sheet on one side, on this side, so Customer has option to put some shelves up if she requires, which she kind of asked. So I think that works quite well. So we've boxed in the area where used to be pipes just to tidy it up. Nothing special really, just to tidy everything up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll catch up in next videos.